Hi, this is Rajesh Pasupuredi, and welcome to the Mr. Java Bean. And this is my first video ever, and I have uploaded since the last 1 year. So I have brought a new course on AI agents, 365 AI tools for the perfect AI agent engineer. So this is the first tool I am discussing. It was in a Perplexity AI. So Perplexity AI has increased efficiency and improved engagement and versatile applications because it has a numerous research content, and it has a neat and concise answers and understandable things. What are the engagement and how it is valuable for the students, professionals, and researchers also. So it has the user interaction forecasting, and it is used for the data analysis and content creation. What else for emailing, and what is nothing. All the things can be done with the Perplexity because it has a concise answers with a prompt questioning and answering questions. So exploring with the Perplexity AI, it is mainly for industry examples and online resources actually. So it is for the mainly main part of this was uh, how to learn from the scratch, and it will take the researches from the source from the internet and web services, and the numerous focuses on language models, AI systems, providing invaluable insights for the future environments because it has a what a variety and what a thought, and what are the developer, what the thought for the developer, because Perplexity AI is most demand skills. And all that the Airtel broadband services has, and also that it will be giving a free 1 year free subscription for the Perplexity for the Pro. So let me take you the my Perplexity AI account. So coming to you, just type Perplexity. So it will shows a Perplexity here, and go to it. It was having a light. It has both the Mac versions and Android versions, Windows versions also. So Android versions for the mobile application, and Windows for the Windows version. I have downloaded a Windows version here. It was looking here. So Perplexity, yeah, is the best AI tool for you guys. I can say really better because you can you can create a website in just 1 minute or 30 seconds also. So just me ask something there, something like question that, uh, okay, tell me about two today's weather report at Vishakhapatnam. Yes. So see guys how the answers was searching, and for it was searching first, and it has nearly reviewing 20 resources guys. So see, it was showing thunderstorms, and he has images also, and where it has collected images from the various sources, and it has research and more than 15. Yes, see. So steps, how the what are the steps in for being getting the answer. So see, it has a live updation with the weather. That live updation of weather. It has a concise and understandable content. You can easily understand what is what. So let me create. So there will be having a prompt questionings. So let me select what is the current humidity level in Vishakhapatnam. So it will check the resources first, and it has checked nearly 10 resources from the server for this humidity check. So let me check. Let me tell AI that Perplexity that. mm create create a website for what? E-commerce. E-commerce. Set fire. Well, e-commerce. Yes, it was creating. It was giving a HTML. Yes, see guys. All the CSS, HTML, and CSS. What is what? I think JavaScript was given. So it will give us what are the steps needed to follow after the code. So add more products needed and grid section expand. So it has a huge content that you can understand easily, so you can discover what were the tech and sciences and what are the stocks falling down and infosys all, and the top 20 news around the world revolving, and arts and culture, sports, top. Yes, you can see UK explores waiving visa fees of top talent aimed US crackdown. So you already know that the Trump has made a fee on $100 on what, on H1B visas, and you can see all the news and sports. You see this, and you can create your personal project templates, and there will be having a lot of templates here. So let me take your new space. I can name it as uh, ja- Java Basics. So ask Java Fundas. Fundas. Yes. So yeah, nearly it was searching and imaging and videos. All the content has been came near you, so you know not to go for anything. You know not to go for YouTube and searching and making a more prompt and giving a search. So you just make tab on videos. It will give generates. Yes, see how many videos are getting, and it has nearly researched from more. Yes. Oh my god. Images, it will generate images also. So this is what the AI perplexity means. Open AI. It has learned, it has various things. You guys learn from this, and so for this today that's all of it, and I will come tomorrow with a new AI tool, and wait for that. Thank you, and subscribe for Java Bean and encourage me. And thank you for being with us. And thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.